Hi guys, welcome to another episode. In today's video, we will explore how you can bring back the old right-click menu on Windows 11. This is the current Windows 11 right-click menu. It is stylish, however, many people prefer the old Windows 10 right-click menu, and in my opinion it is the better choice. And in this video I will show you how you can bring it back. What we're gonna need to do is edit some registry, so click on Start menu, search for Registry Editor, go to Current User, Software, Classes, and scroll a little bit until you find this CLS ID. Right click on it to create a new key and paste this long string. I will leave it in the video description below, so don't worry, you can just copy and paste this. Hit enter, and from here on now create another key within the new one we just created. Name it improc server 32, and this has created a new key. However, it does not have value. Simply double click on it, and we do not have to insert anything, just click OK. This will be enough. Click OK, and the data is changed. Now this is the current Windows 11 right click menu, and after either restarting your PC or restarting the Explorer, it should revert back to the Windows 10 style right click menu. We will not restart the PC, however we will restart Explorer. Simply go to Task Manager, scroll a little bit further down until you see Windows Explorer. Right click and then restart. It's going to load up the registry again within the new keys that we entered, and this is the old menu bar, and this is the old right click menu. In my opinion, it is the better version. Now I will create a registry for you, so we can just double click and it will automatically create these registry keys, and you don't have to do anything else besides double clicking and restarting your Explorer. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.